Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome back to the third session of number system. So, which is belonging to the calculation of Hcf in factorization method. See, in the previous class we discussed about relating to the calculation of Hcf under division method. So, in this class we are going to discuss how to calculate the Hcf under factorization method. And the outcome of this session is relating to uh, regarding the calculation of HCF of a given set of numbers by the use of prime factors. In this session, we are going to have a talk on the meaning of HCF as well as how to calculate the problems under factorization method. So we know that HCF is nothing but the largest number that completely divides all the given numbers is called as HCF. See, while calculating under factorization method, what are the steps has to be followed that has been discussed. First, we have to find out what are the prime factors of each of the given numbers. For example, if 20 and 30 are there, means we should calculate separately what are the prime factors of the given numbers. And then second step, we have to identify the common prime factors of the given numbers. First, we have to calculate the prime factors. Second one, we should calculate what are the common prime factors. Then in the third step, we have to multiply the common factors where we can able to see the value of the HCF. Let us have one problem on factorization method. One problem factorization method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ HCF ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನೋಡೋಣ. Now see the question here they have given find the HCF of 16 and 60. 16 ಮತ್ತೆ 60 ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ HCF ಅನ್ನ factorization method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ನೋಡೋಣ. Let us will find separately we have to find out the factors for this. It is 16. So 2 8s are 16. We should see which is the number. The least number should be considered when we are going to divide the number 16 na ಆದಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು 2 ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 16 2 8 16 then again this 8 can be divided again by 2 2 4s are 8 again this 4 also be divided by 2 2 1s are 2 ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ 2 ನ 2 1s ಇಂದಾನೆ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So that is how we have to calculate the factors for 16. Factors for 16 ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the 16 factors ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 are the factors for 16. Similarly, we should calculate the factors for 60. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ 16 ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀವೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 60 ಗೆ ಸಹ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 16 ನ ಮೊದಲು 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 2 30s are 60 2 15s are 30 ಮತ್ತೆ 15 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ we take 3 5s are 15. ಇದು 5 prime number ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 5 1s are 5. So this is how to calculate the factors for 60. The factors for 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. So these are the factors for 16 as well as 16. Now first we found out the factors for these values. Now we should see what are the common prime factors. Common ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 4 times ಇದೆ. This one here 2 times with 3 and 5. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು HCF ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಎರಡೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 times ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 times ಇದೆ ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂತದ್ದು 2 times ಮಾತ್ರ 2 times ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಿಂದ 2 into 2 ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 3 ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. Therefore the HCF of 16 and 60 ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು 2 times ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು 2 into 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ತಗೋತೀವಿ HCF of those numbers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. Therefore the value of HCF is 4. So this is how to calculate the value of HCF under factorization method. Let us then see the second question here they are given. Find the HCF of 42, 63 and 140 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು 42 ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು 2 2s are 2 1s are. In the same manner 3 ಇಂದ 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So we should take the next number that is 3 3 7s are 21. ಮತ್ತೆ 7 prime number ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it cannot be divided by any other number, so divide by the same, that is 7 ಅಂತ. Now the factors for 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. Then goes to the second number, that is 63. 63 ನ divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 3 ಇಂದ divide ಮಾಡಿ, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Then 3 will be 21 will be divided by 3, the 7s are 21. As it is a prime number, so it will be divided by only 7, 7 1s are. Then we'll go for the next number, that is 140. 2 70s are 140. 2 35s are 70. Then it will not be divided by 2. Then we will go by 5. 5 sevens are 35. Then 7 ones are. Now we are going to write all the factors for those concerned numbers. Now we'll have to check what are the common numbers here. We'll check 2. In the second case it is not there. Third, so we should ignore. Then we'll see for 3. In the third case it is not there. Ignore it, 3 also. Then you consider for 7. Here 7 is there in all the 3 cases. That is for 1 time. 5 is not there. In the above 2 cases, 1 is also there. We can take 7 and 1. The product of 7 into 1, that is only for 1 time in all the cases, so we should take only 1 time. The HCF of 42, 63 and 140 is 7 into 1 is nothing but 7. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ HCF of 12 and 16 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮೊದಲು 2ಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಡಿ. 2 6 2 3 3 1 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 are the factors for 12. In the same manner, we'll find out the factors for 16. 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. The factors for 16 is 2 4 times into 1. Therefore, the HCF of 12 and 16 is. Now we'll have to check what are the common numbers. 2 is repeated in both the cases. That how many times means 2 times is repeated in both the cases. So we should take only 2 times. 3 and 1. 3 is not there in second case. Ignore it. 1 is there. So we can take 2 into 2 into 1. The value of HCF is 4. So this is how to calculate HCF. Similarly, we should go for the fourth also. 47 and 15. 47, as it is a prime number, it has to be divided only for with the same number. 47 ones are. But 15 can also be divided by 3 as well as 5. So 5, 3 5s are 15 and 5 ones are. So the factors for 47 is 47 into 1. The factors for 15 is 3 into 5 into 1. Now we should check what are the prime common factors here. There will be no 47, 3 and 5 in both the cases. So we should ignore all these 3 numbers. But only the number which is repeated in both the cases, that is 1. Therefore we should take only 1 as the HCF. And the next is 3 numbers are there. Similarly, how we calculated in the previous case, in the same manner has to be calculated. Then we have to find out the value of HCF here. The value of HCF is 45. Let us will check the MCQ questions here. What is the highest common factor of 24 and 30? Now we'll have to find out the HCF for these two numbers. Then we have there are some of the answers are there. Numbers are there. Among these numbers, you have to select what is the right answer. Then goes for the second one, which shows the prime factorization of 84. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers means which is divisible by 1 and itself. We should consider such kind of numbers, such kind of factors. They have specifically mentioned prime factorization. Yes, we should see either it is 7 into 12 also will get 84, 4 also will get 84. But they have asked very specifically that is prime factors. So we should take only the prime factors. Which product is showing here? Which product of prime factors are showing? Will get the result of 84, that will be considered for HCF. And the next one also, write all the factors of 24 they have given. What are all the numbers? Either we have to select 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D in this form. What is the right answer? They have asked, write all the factors of 24. What are all the numbers they are going to get that which will be divisible for 24? That is called as the factors of 24. So that has to be selected, and the next option is all the factors are prime numbers is called. Now we should check that what are the factors, all the factors of all prime numbers, either it is a product or it is a multiple or it is a factors, or it is called as a prime factorization. Prime numbers means we should see that it will be the prime factorization. So you have to check among these answer what is the all the factors of prime numbers is also called as product, multiples or factors, or it can also be called as prime factorization. The last question they have given here, what when two or more numbers are multiplied, if you are going to multiply what it is called. Either it may be called as factors or multiples of products or devices. So opt any one question, then you have to check for the last slide. The answers is given here. So with the help of these, we are going to come across how to calculate the HCF under factorization method in this session. Thank you.